Now I am going to discuss about business finance is the main topic, under which financial planning, capital structure, overcapitalization, undercapitalization, and what are the reasons. That will be the topic of today. What is financial planning? Financial planning means procurement of capital and profitable use of fund. The capital procurement, it must be done economically so that there must be good profit margin. Financial planning, it concerned with the rising, controlling and administering of funds used in the business. Financial planning also providing and managing all the money, capital or fund of any kind to be used in connection with the business. Capital structure, in business terms we use capital always. How we procure capital, what are the means of capital and how many types of capital we need to procure. There are the firms which may be big, small, medium. Every firm needs capital to carry on its business operations smoothly and also to achieve the respective targets. Actual capital, it should be neither more nor less than the amount required and gainfully employed in the business. Capital structure of a business enterprise is related to long-term financial requirements of the business enterprise. It is determined by long-term debt and equity capital used by the enterprise. As a matter of fact, the capital structure of a business enterprise should be ideal. So, we have to understand what is the undercapitalization and overcapitalization, so that we will understand what is the ideal capitalization. Actually, capitalization means share capital, debenture capital, long-term borrowings and free reserves. All these four consists of capital structure. Now, if we understand undercapitalization, generally it is the inadequate of capital requirement, that is shortage of capital. It is a condition when the real value of the company based on its earnings is more than the book value. So a company is said to be undercapitalized when its actual capitalization is lower than its proper capitalization as warranted by its earning capacity. Undercapitalization is excess of true asset value over the aggregate of stocks and bonds outstanding. A corporation may be undercapitalized when the rate of profit it is making on the total capital is exceptionally high in relation to or the return enjoyed by similarly situated companies in the same industry, or when it is too little capital with which to conduct its business. So sometimes a company on the face of it may have insufficiency of capital estimated it. So this situation will not be treated as undercapitalization. In short, undercapitalization is a state of affairs when the actual capital is short of requirements of the company. When this situation occurs, many number of situations, and out of this, underestimation of the earnings is the one of the reason. Now, underestimation of the capital requirements, promotion of company during a period of depression, unforeseen increase in earnings, during a boom period, and conservative dividend policy of the company, sound financial management with high efficiency, and tight conditions in the money market are some of the reasons for the company to suffer under capitalization. Now, overcapitalization is a situation. The capital of the company exceeds its requirement. So, a company becomes overcapitalized when its earning capacity does not justify the amount of capitalization. In other words, a company is said to be overcapitalized when its actual profits are not sufficient to pay interest on debentures and borrowings and dividends on share capital at fair rates. Overcapitalization occurs when securities of the company are issued in excess of its capitalized earning power. However, the aggregate of par value of stocks and bonds outstanding exceeds the true value of assets, the corporation is said to be overcapitalized. So, a company is overcapitalized when its earnings are not enough to yield fair return on the amount of stocks and bonds that have been issued, or when the amount of securities outstanding exceeds the current value of the assets. What are the reasons of such overcapitalization? Promotion of the company with overvalued assets, purchase of assets during boom period, that means higher prices, high promotional expenses, rising excessive capital, borrowing money at high rate of interest, overestimation of earnings, under provision of depreciation, high rate of taxation, lack of reserves, liberal dividend policy. So these are the certain causes of under capitalization. So one has to be very careful while estimating its capital. Neither it should be overcapitalized nor it should be undercapitalized. So ideal capitalization should be the requirement of each manager to have a good financial planning. Thank you.